What is going on, you guys? Just got home, getting ready to work on the car some more, and got some more parts in. So, figure why not? Let's do another parts unboxing video. Alright, well, first box I have here is from Tuner Tools. And I got some more fittings, so never have too many fittings. These are actually going to be for my oil catch tank. Vibrant products, as always. It's all I use for fittings, all I trust for fittings. They go together super easy. I've used like the Summit Racing brand in the past and had thread strip out on them, even though they were put together correctly. The Vibrant ones are super nice, go together super nice. They don't leak. For the price, you really can't beat it. So spend the extra couple bucks, get some good Vibrant stuff. That's my advice on that. All right, next pack I got here is from Summit Racing. Being in Michigan, it's real nice to get stuff from Summit because it always comes next day. And free shipping if your order's over $100, which this one was not. But I did get the brake lines that I needed to do the front of the front brakes on the car. So I'm still waiting to get my subframe back so that I can do the rear brakes. But I did take measurements on the fronts and ordered up these nice Earls brake lines. So those are going to be the brake lines that'll go from 3AN, which I use to tube nut all the hard lines, and 10mm banjo, which will go into the Brembos. So these will work perfectly for the front brakes. Now, this isn't necessarily something for the car as much as it is for something I use a lot, building the car, which is my welder. And I just cut right through the packing list. So this is from Arc Zone, and I ordered up one of their size 12 monster cups. I have friends that use them. I've never used one before, but they say nothing but good things about them. So I figured I would order it up. For the price and everything it includes, it includes a nice cup with a diffuser, gas lens, collets. It comes with everything you need to hook it up to your torch and go. So this should help out a lot with fabrication stuff. I ordered some Pyrex cups off Amazon from some company called Jack and Dave, I think it was, and those things were awful. My original gas nozzles that came with the welder worked better than the cups that I got from Jack and Dave. Actually, I'll show you those because they actually look good, but they just it's not that great. So this is the cup I got from Jack and Dave. It comes with everything you need to hook it up and go, and the cup is pretty decent, but I think it's this gas lens that's not really that good at diffusing the gas. It didn't work very well, and I wasn't really pleased with it. But honestly, it was only like 12 bucks, so I figured I'd try it. And in hindsight, it really wasn't worth the $12. So Jack and Dave welding supplies, do not recommend. And last but not least, I have this box from RevShift. RevShift is actually doing a lot of billet aluminum stuff for the Mustang for me. They are doing CNC billet rear control arms, We are going to be working on a CNC billet angle kit for the car when it's done. And right now, these are, well, got some stickers, so those will be going on the car. And what these are, he taped the shit out of them. So I gotta get the tape off now. Cut that tape. All right, you're sitting there going, these are. What the hell are they? CNC billet subframe bushings for the S550. You know, they're nice and engraved. It's hard to tell. My lights are super bright, but yeah. Solid subframe bushings. I'm not a fan of rubber bushings, and the original ones are not really that great. So these ones are machined, and they're a small press fit. You can actually see the small lip right there, and then it steps up a little bit bigger. That's so you can actually line them up in the subframe, and then they press fit in the rest of the way, and you don't have to worry about getting them in crooked or anything like that. And for my previous experience with solid subframe bushings, I love them. I think they're great. For track cars, I feel it's a necessity. And when it comes to Rev Shift's billet CNC stuff, they do a great job. They did a lot of CNC billet stuff on the GTO. The transmount was a billet transmount that they made. They made solid engine mounts for that car. So Rev Shift's done some stuff for me in the past, and super happy to be working with them again, and you know, bringing some new great product to the market for S550s. Now, I did order a bunch of other stuff for this car too. I ordered all the charge pipes. I ordered a tile blow-off valve for it, intercooler couplers. I ordered a bunch of other stuff, but some of the stuff's on back order. Some of it takes a little bit longer to ship, so I didn't get all that stuff just yet. I still need to order stuff for downpipe. I mean, I have a list of things I still need to get and ordered up for this car, but you know, money's tight right now, and just getting what I can, and try to push forward with the build, really. So that's going to be it for this one. I'll be sure to have another video out tomorrow for you guys. So like the video if you liked it, and I'll keep doing these small little unboxing videos, maybe showing you guys little things here and there that you need to get for a car that you might not think you need to get, while giving a little bit of an explanation as to what the stuff is for and why I buy it. And subscribe to the channel if you're new. You know, I've been trying to put daily videos out, trying to keep up with them. It's difficult because I'm not home very often, so I usually have to film multiple videos at a time. But other than that, that's going to be it for this one. So until tomorrow, I will catch you guys later.